As we all know, currently the world is fighting this deadly virus called corona, and due to which the government has announced a complete lockdown. Due to lockdown, citizens cannot travel from one place to another, which also means they cannot use their personal vehicles. It is very important and essential to take care of your car during this lockdown. We bring you some tips for your car during this ongoing lockdown. Battery is one of the most important and vulnerable parts of the car. It needs to stay constantly charged, and only running of the vehicle regularly ensures such. During these times when the car ain't moving, one of the biggest and first issues is non-working of the battery due to discharge. Care tip for battery: start the vehicle regularly even if you cannot move, and keep the engine running for 10 to 15 minutes to keep the battery in good condition. It is a good idea to switch on the AC if possible once a week. Care tip for the AC: operate your car AC for at least 5 minutes. You can do it with your windows open too, again, even if the car is still. Handbrake: there's a chance that when you start your car after the lockdown ends, you'll be facing noises on applying the brakes or low friction in brakes than what you are used to, and hence inconvenience in driving. Care tip for the handbrake: keep your car gear engaged and not leave it on neutral. If you have parked your car on a slope, you can put a stone block rather than the handbrake. Avoid using handbrakes for a longer period of time. Tires: ensuring that the tire pressure in your car is kept at an optimum range is as important as ensuring the rubbers do not get worn out by having the car parked and standing still for a longer period of time. Care tip for your car tires: your car is prone to losing tire pressure while it stands for a longer period. Also, the rubber tends to get a bit worn out at the place of contact. It is important that we move the car a couple of feet every week. If you can take it out for a round in your society, do that. If not, ensure you can just drive a few feet front and back in position. Tips for car interior care: when the car is stationary for a long period of time, any smelly particle inside the car is bound to get worse and create a foul smell in the car. To avoid this, make sure that the interiors of the car are adequately cleaned. Exterior car care tips: if your car is parked outside, do keep it covered if possible to avoid bird droppings all over. Also, after the lockdown, ensure you clean and sanitize the interior too before you start using your car. Another important thing is to keep a jump start cable handy. Most of the cars would have a battery issue, and this would ensure you can start the car. This is specifically more important for automatic cars since they cannot be started by pushing like a manual driven car with a clutch. Before you start, ensure the car is properly sanitized. We hope you enjoyed these tips, and if there are any questions, do feel free to ask. If you have any tips to share, please do, and we can include in the next edition.